Good day once again, my viewers. You are welcome to my channel once again. We are going to solve a very nice question on logarithm once again. And this is the question. The question reads, solve the simultaneous equations log x to the base 10 plus log y to the base 10 equal to 4 and log x to the base 10 plus 2 log y to the base 10 equal to 3. So we have solution. Now we are going to label these equations as equation 1 and 2 respectively. So we have log x to the base 10 plus log y to the base 10 is equal to 4. That is equation 1. We have log x to the base 10 plus 2 log y to the base 10 is equal to 3. We label this one as equation 2. So solving simultaneously, we are going to solve them one after the other. So by taking equation 1 first, we say from equation 1, we apply the log of logarithms here too. So we can see that log x to the base 10 and log y to the base 10, they are adding. So in that case, we are picking one of the logs. Since they are the same basis, we are picking one of the log and then multiply the logarithms. So we have log x y to base 10 now is equal to 4. So let's apply the same law again. In this situation, to do away with this log, we have the point in which this term must be raised to give us log xy. So in that situation, I can have xy will be equal to 10 raised to the power 4. And we can have xy is equal to 10 raised to the power 4 will give us 10,000. 10 raised to the power 4 will give us 10,000. So now making x the subject of the formula, we can say that x will be equal to 10,000 over y, and this will be equation 3. Let's label this one as equation 3. Now we are going to pick equation 2 and simplify it again. So from equation 3, we have log x to the base 10 plus 2 log y to the base 10 is equal to 3. So we apply the law here. One of the laws, if we have 2, a number multiplying by the log of a number, it means that these two can go as the square of the logarithms. So here we can have log x to the base 10 plus log y squared to the base 10 is equal to 3. So we can see that this log x to the base 10 and log y squared to the base 10 are added. So we are going to multiply the logarithm since the base are the same. So we can have log x y squared to the base 10 is equal to 3. So we apply the same law again here because the part in which term must be raised to give us xy will be x y squared is equal to 10 raised to the power 3. X y squared will be equal to 10 to the power 3 is 1000. So from this one I can have it as equation 4. Now we have x is equal to 10,000 over y. So we are going to substitute this equation 3 into equation 4. So you can say substituting 10,000 over y for x in equation 4, we can have 10,000 over y times y squared, that's the substitute for x in this equation, is equal to 1000. So this x will cancel, this y will cancel one of the y there. So you are left with 10,000 y is equal to 1,000. So dividing through by 10,000, we have divide by 10,000. Also, these are to divide by 10,000. This 10,000 will cancel 10,000. We are left with y is equal to, this will cancel, this cancel, this will cancel this will cancel this. So you are left with 1/10. So you can write it in standard form as 10 raised power minus 1. Applying the laws of indices, this is the inverse. So 10 raised power minus 1 is the value of y. So we can also substitute this 1/10 or 10 raised power minus 1 into our equation 3 in order to obtain the value of x. So putting 1/10 into equation 3, it means that x is equal to 1,000 or 10,000 over 1/10. By implication, this means that this is 10 times 10,000. Or we can write this way, 10,000 times 10/1. And that will be 100,000. 10,000 times 10 will give us 100,000. Divided by 1 is still 100,000. So this is the answer. We can write it in standard form as 10 raised to power 5. So this is the value of x. Therefore, x is equal to 10 raised to power 5, and then y is equal to 10 raised to power minus 1. So we have solved simultaneously in order to obtain the value of x and y. I hope you understand the steps required. If you are struggling with WAEC or JAM questions, this is where you can obtain beautiful solution on it. So subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share it to other members, and let's have lovely time once again.